Today, we uncover how governance and ongoing development influence a crypto project's resilience long after hype fades. By examining on-chain voting, developer activity, and milestone progress, investors see real commitment beyond flashy announcements. We compare transparent roadmaps to actual delivery, noting delays, pivots, and how communities respond to setbacks. Risk emerges when governance tokens are centralized or reviewer processes stall, while healthy ecosystems reward constructive feedback. Armed with these signals, new investors can evaluate long-term potential and join projects that align with lasting value. This approach keeps investing thoughtful, curious, and community-oriented.